A message for the water heritage and its significance in facing the present and future water challenges, by Professor Ioannis Kalavrouziotis, President of Hellenic Open University and the Chair of International Water Association Specialist Group on Water in Ancient Civilization. Dear colleagues, I have prepared this short message to underline that the significance of the culture is a factor which directly influences the way by which the values of water are perceived, derived, and used. It is well known that for any heritage value, it is necessary one must understand the historical, socio-cultural, and economic, as well technological conditions under which the value arises, and also must know how the culture impacts on it and how it is used. And to assess the values of this material and intangible assets for today and tomorrow, it is essential to value the socio-cultural and economic, as well technological appropriateness for today's and tomorrow's water management challenges. The latter, assessing the values of water, related heritage for today's and tomorrow's water management challenges, is not systematically done today. It is timely to also consider water-related heritage from the perspectives of its values for today's and tomorrow's water management challenges. It must be pointed out that the importance of water in relation to human beings extends beyond its role in supporting life, sustaining functions including mental health, spiritual well-being, emotional balance, and happiness. Thus, the aesthetic values of the landscapes created by the water are very important for the maintenance of the mental health in good condition. Water in relation to human life plays a great importance, as its role covers a wide range of human activities, such traditions worldwide symbolizing various elements as diverse as life, as purity, renewals, and reconciliations, including chaos and destruction. Water could also become a factor of conflict between humans. Water has been used in the centuries by men for domestic use, public use, agricultural production, industrial use, etc. It must, however, be mentioned in the respect that the present water managers have not recognized the value of thousands of years accumulated and gained experience on the water use. At this point, I consider necessary to refer to the meaning of water heritage as a crucial source of information, both for understanding how the water system worked in the past and discerning its impact and significance in the present. The heritage is also a source of knowledge for water management and environmental engineers. It is an integral part of architectural and urban design and a site of cultural identification, historical experience, public engagement, leisure, and tourism. I consider that the users, farmers of the water, must fully understand the significant meaning of this definition in order so as to manage the water as effectively as possible. The fact that human beings over the centuries have created various systems in many different sites and locations to manage the water to the benefit of the society is actually based on the above significance of water. That is why the heritage is still vital and functional, and it is assured that it will continue to be so in the times to come, often interconnected between different water systems. The heritage ranges in various sites, from ingenious small-scale water harvesting systems to large water pumping systems. It is true that the ingenuity of man has found various ways to exploit the water heritage through the centuries, thus securing the water's survival. It is a fact that our relationships with water is indeed entirely natural and spiritual dimensions, creating and leading in one hand to the present and on the other hand to the future water security. Based on the above mentioned, it must also be stated that the water initiative has been started by the ICOMOS, expressing the views of the scientists who are concerned about the influence of the above cultural heritage on the water use, according to which the latter can contribute to the resolution of contemporary and future water management challenges. It is my personal firm belief that this campaign dealing with water must be supported by all of us. It is therefore necessary that the ICOMOS water must organize the world effort towards informing the farmers about the importance of the water heritage in managing the water in these abandoned areas. It should not be considered the values of water, but all the water matters, including water heritage, from the ancient times to the present and the future. That should be the best way for improvement the water technology. Therefore, I propose that the international meeting between the water experts, state officials, stakeholders, and progressive farmers, users of water must take place as a first step for informing the water users on this initiative. Thank you very much to all.